Find a polynomial function with a leading coefficient of 1 and zeros 4 and negative I. Now here we go. We're going to first get the 0 of 4, which means x minus 4. So if we plug in 4, it's going to equal 0, and the whole thing's going to be 0, right? But here, when you're talking about complex numbers here, we can't just have, say, x plus I, because plug in negative I, it's going to be negative I plus I, that's 0, and so the whole thing is 0. Remember, you have to remember that complex roots, or zeros, come in pairs. They come in a positive version and a negative version. So, in other words, this function is also going to have x minus I. In other words, it's also going to have I as a root. And so now we have three binomials here, the three roots, and now we can find our function. In other words, first off, we can multiply these two binomials. You'll actually notice the difference of squares. You could just FOIL it if you didn't know that, but if it's a difference of squares, so it's going to be x squared minus I squared, and I squared, that's just, by definition, negative 1, and so we have x squared minus negative 1, x squared plus 1. Now we can FOIL once again these two binomials. So we're going to get x cubed plus x minus 4x squared and minus 4. Now we rearrange the terms and we'll get our final answer of x cubed minus 4x squared plus x minus 4. This function has all three roots, or two roots, but the other root I is necessary, and has a leading coefficient of 1.